Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to use function keys on ASUS VivoBook Pro. So, here are the function keys. They are at the very top of the keyboard. Maybe here you should see it better. It's right in here. So there are 12 of them. F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11 and F12. So some of these, to be honest, most of them have a special function. So the F1 mute our volume, the F2 volume down is volume down, and F3 is volume up. Yeah, and F2 volume down. F4 lowers our brightness, and F5 makes the screen brighter. F6 is to enable and disable the touchpad. F7 brightens up our keyboard, so you can't see it. The F8 is for project, so you can choose when the laptop is connected to a, for example, TV. You can choose from a PC screen only, duplicate the screen, extend the screen, or the second screen only, where you want the screen to be projected to. F9 disables our microphone and enables it. F2 does the same but with the camera. F11 is the print screen. Oh, oops, close this. And F12 is opens our MyASUS. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.